pronunciation students, the TH sounds, they're difficult, but they're really important to improve your pronunciation. There are two, the silent TH and the voiced TH. Think, silent. I think I can improve my pronunciation. Do you think you can improve your pronunciation? The problem is if you don't pronounce it and you don't put the tongue in the right place, think, it will sound like I think, like the sink. I think I can improve, or I think I can improve. So it's a disaster. So basically, you need to put the tongue in between your teeth up there and blow. With the voiced TH, it's the same thing, except for now you're going to vibrate your vocal cords. This exercise is important for pronunciation. That, this, those, voiced TH. If you do not pronounce the voiced TH, this exercise, it's gonna sound like this, like with a D. Not so good. Also, it can be confusing. So let's practice the f and the v. All right, I'll see you in class.